How to close all tabs on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to close all tabs on Samsung Internet Browser. First then open the browser and now just click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it just click this one, and not this three lines, click here this tabs icon, and now just click these 3 points in the top corner, and here we'll find close all tabs, and as you see tabs have been closed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.